don't see me picking up for school. I come call social workers in my daughter. We hear from her. He said, don't worry. She's under the police custody. She don't come has no problem. I said, oh, police custody, even though police want carry pikin, you know, visited the mother. Now, wow, now so police, now so France police they behave. So I come quiet. Before I look around 3, and before the police call me, are you the mother of dressing? Are you from this? I say, yes. What happened? They are police. Come to the station. I said, oh, I cannot come to the station alone. So I will just come to the station. It don't make sense. I beg, I will need to see social worker people, they give me access. Now I call social worker. Say what I say tomorrow, time don't go. Man coming in to go police station. Reach your office. Social worker can go do with it. My oga, where they pay my rent, they talk. Don't look at time to set me up that they do. Because they say if I come on Wednesday, make a call with David and gift with the children. Social worker can carry motor. The Joan call say me social worker carry motor. Go drop me for the police station so that my own be say they won't go release your pikin for bail. At that moment to seek for one away see I find myself. Reach there, police just put me hand off. Say I don't meet the woman. Now the man do one with this. So we need to go side. Now they just can't go meet one doctor. Say now the doctor with this because they investigate. Now the doctor say yes. If I will snap the woman. So we say yes. You need to be cured. You are not doing that. They need to take me to psychiatric. Put me handcuff, treat me as if I'm a slave. That's what they force me. Give me medication. Carry me for ambulance. Like no thief. And they follow they drag go. Now so God just say, "Barry, don't just keep quiet like that to video these people." So I just carry phone. I say, "Oh, have the pale worry girl. No girl." She say the police are keep quiet. As I the video, they fight with camera. And before they say they won't delete the camera, I don't send out another number. As I get the video. So I say, "Muna see, they won't feed me with." Medication, I don't know what they want to give me. Maybe they do the carton of this medication, what they want to give. They say now for your brain to relax. I say, what did they my brain when they relax? What did they my brain? Your brain, oh yeah, test and heat.
Madam Bernard Vessel, how old your pikin day when you start all those things when they do?
The pikin, for you tell me, I say 2023, when they start because the social worker.
How old was she in 2023?
That is something about 30 years a day. Now 15 years. We made 4 months or 5 and we copy 16 years. Now I say now 2023 start this issue. 2023. Something 30 years now. Yes. Yes, now 32 years now. Because social worker see those things for you tell me say, Madam, we are not this. Need food for my daughter for 48 hours because he get what you see for you. But the social worker for it and not let me be. Not let me, just tell me what you see for the people because I buy at the for 600 there. Now my added working money, I go make it. What the money I will take do before cap up. Yes, I order the worker and only me sit down small. Now me buy that food. How much time the picking will do? Now since the day I just buy on that food. After 2 weeks now, notice this pikin, it just change. See, I just buy a phone. You say, what is that translate? Yeah, what they teach, they understand when mommy buy me phone. Now I just go use Momo. I say, my pikin don't retire abroad. My first pikin, now go buy a phone. It not even reach 2 weeks. This pikin, because they control me out till now. If they threaten me with police, I'll call you police. If you don't keep quiet, if they won't hear from you, say, na pizza, na fresh baguette. You know, go eat the one of yesterday. These people they do me like that, be slave to if you will see me with them, you will picture me as people they control me. So they do me something my son got provoked. My son said, you won't know what they suck. Now my son got put eye down. They call it, we told them they go extra. Now call it, now my son said no, they go to school again. Teacher said my son no they right. Now my son said the reason why not they were right because of blessing. Because they make out the shame for the school the way they behave. You know if you go to school, they change at school. Then they change my son. And they change my son's school, they say cancer comes. They say they do well for that one. Now after they tell me to do why Spalan publish, they write something, we teacher they teach. He said the best get they do nonsense for the school, they keep sending her, they follow those white people, make up nonsense, and they tell people saying no more. So now they separate school from okay, now, don't do nothing. I don't get arrested. The mother now. Nothing. I never even until I see my daughter where they arrest her go. Say because the same mother is mad. Police just come focus on me. When they say now, so they make arrest. They say the Arab country. I mean they say anything Arab here. This one my first operation. They force me to eat food. Anything they give you, they put drug inside. The medicine where they will give you your head, they tell you everything na drug.
So it's okay, madam. So which help you want me to do for you now?
The help they say that is they say they won't give me whether na if not be fast now they follow say carry the food from say whether they won't bring lawyer whether next week they say if I want to come on anything that they ask me to do I will do. I say if not I will do it 3 months. So anything they say they make a take after the people from the medication they say woman you cannot say no. Hello, this I'm right. Okay. So, listen. Good night, listen. All the time I'm not with the shape. So, society, of course, check my VP. And so they put the do.
What of your other children? Where they come dey now?
I never even see them. People when they come before, the last one year, 2 days ago, they say, Mommy, they are using me as slave. I'm the one cleaning her. Everything on me. The woman say if I talk to you again, if of course if they ask the person, if I go talk more, so say they will kill her. Say they will kill her and say they will turn the brain. Say the woman bet. Say because me they answer me, they say, Mommy, are you okay? If I say my son goes to go for you, they answer, Mommy, are you okay? Don't worry, everything will be fine. You will get out of that place. The police show to you, they handcuff you. And they handcuff my mommy saw you. I saw all the picture with the next year I said now, while they slap the people for phone. Since that time I never forget for my son.
Which city you dey for France?
I
don't understand how those are things. Which city you dey for France? Strasbourg. Okay.
Yes.
Not be everything I go fit tell you here. Because of time and make them not come catch you say they use phone. I'll get back to you tomorrow. I'm going to set up.
You can tell me anything you want in my room. They know the
No. Because they dey public. Now live stream you dey so. So if I true, I go set up a committee. We go work with the city of Strasbourg. You'll give us your address and code. Then we'll take lawyer. Then we'll know what to do from there. Okay?
They say they won't give me lawyer. If they say give me lawyer now to carry the children,
no, they're not going to give you lawyer. Don't worry. Madam.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Sir. I go help you. You hear?
Thank you, sir. Daddy, thank you, sir. They say I don't get anybody.
We go help you now because say they look you say you not get person. That's why they treat you like that. Yeah?
Yes.
I'm going to set up a committee for this and tomorrow next you'll hear good news. I'll conference you with them, then I'll come create a group chat between you and those people and we'll take it up from there. Those same people too, they work with Assistance Social for France. Okay? And
thank you, sir, because
yes.
Blessing, my daughter say he both say if government not collect the children, say I change their name. Say don't plan with the school authority mercy. So over their dead body, they must collect the children. Say nothing I go fit do. Say if in a life I change their name. Now say my water go expose you and mercy. The mercy use and knock shit.
That water one way they talk, you not say you deserve water. No, they talk that one for there again, yeah. You feel they talk them personally from yourself. If they tell they say they serve water, they go come they say
no, you can go right now for them. Say the water they come visit. If you come visit, if you didn't hear me, they know say you come visit. Now my daughter explained how my mom before this.
Now I understand why your daughter feel use them against you.
They say you dey mad. They say they hear voice because the water they speak for me. How to heal person. If the person get sickness, the water they do.
How to heal person. Not just talk all those one again, because if that water wey they really dey serve, so if I not put you for this stress where you did, so you understand. So now God na the safe person. Now God create everything. Water not to drink. Yeah, water not to drink. So I go.
Help me out because now the water see the work now, so wait, we are seeing your connection.
No, not be water. Oh, if you don't talk that way, girl, you rest. Oh, now God. Oh, talk say na God, that connect me to you. Not be water. Oh, yeah, not be water. Oh, yeah, madam.
If I tell you the way the father of the children do me, now they say he goes this tire.
No, never talk that one. But I just dey tell you say na God that connect me to you. Not be water. Yeah.
Okay, anyone.
No, not be anyone. You say na God. Talk like that.
Now God, nah. But where they start the God since that time everything just difficult, so suffer.
Now God that make you there alive till today. Now God now still make you the breathe. You understand? So
you know what then the food that they put substance inside. When you eat that for month, you go say substance.
The water that should be that they put something for inside the water we see they drink.
Everything.
That water where they serve. Now imagine that they put something for inside me, they drink. If that water where it really knows say the serve, as they put that inside before you drink and go neutralize them by itself.
Now they work for me, like for don't mad, but you know the kind of treatment they give me, the sort of the not score they would they fear which kind of person they work, the call it they protect me for don't.
No problem. Anything you believe them on yourself. But I am doing whatever I'm doing for you because of God Almighty that created us in His own image and likeness. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.
But what is your name, sir?
My name is Inoge.
Okay, my name is Eva. They are calling me Eva, but my papa and my mama call me Eva Kokibo. My papa and I Kokibo. My name is Eva.
All right. No problem. I'll tell my wife me save your number. I'll get back to you tomorrow morning before 12.
Right.
1.
Okay, now you are getting WhatsApp number, so.
No, now my wife will get WhatsApp number.
Okay, if I can't get your wife on, don't forget you won't be that. Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
God will bless you. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Anytime your wife can call me, you can call me. Thank you, sir.
All right. Hey, God. Different stories, different time, different story. The reason why they help you, madam, now because of God, oh. Not be say I can't go use by people. Set committee, help you finish. You say that water save you. But I'm not going to listen to all this one with the talk because you yourself, that make your pikin feel use you. I don't lie. This thing so alone, that make your pikin feel use you. That baby even smart past you. Anointed.
Request.
Request. Yeah. I pikin tell you say mama dey here. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I text you for WhatsApp. I take your number from this. They send me your number from this chat.
Are you the daughter of this woman?
No.
Okay.
Not be me. I send a message for WhatsApp. Yeah.
What will be that?
Now about I want me my auntie talk. So now long story short. Yes.
You want make your auntie talk?
Yeah, I want my talk to you for WhatsApp so that I feel breathe well because the thing they hurt me well.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
All right. Sophia. Sophia. Hey.
Ìpàdé yẹn o.
You dey sleep.
I don't sleep every day. Every day do one or two things. Yeah.
You sure? Who disconnect her now?
Because on my network, I say,
All right. So fire.
sir, now good evening.
Good evening. We dey hear some rumor that we do not believe it is true or not. We dey hear some rumor say you and your baby father don come back.
Who dey talk this one?
People, a lot of my fans.
People, they got the evidence. Don't come back.
No, now you need to tell us wetin make people dey think like that.
Okay. The thing be say, when you come in today, I can say, I'll come talk, you understand? I say they talk, not because they donate for me. I mean, wear shoe. I mean, no way for the pay me. Nobody they feel my pain. They get. That's the way when they talk,
What are
they
the
all those
gift
warrior.
now?
How do they
Everywhere
talk
is
that kind of
dry.
thing?
What you gift? Subscribe to my live
Person,
goal.
okay, how people gonna do that kind of thing? The same man we miss, we be say, now you make they collect my children. Now you make me do where I did so. I can't go back to the same man. What I want for the happen? Well, because of the product for me, I'm not going back there. So I got a running name.
We still hear say some people dey call you for back. If you mention their names and why did they call you for back in respect of your baby father?
Okay, the TV say if they want like that, better yes, that on Tuesday I can't get meeting with you better. So the meeting we can't do the meeting. They can't carry my son come my for see my son. I can't see my son. Come as they buy my daughter. They see my daughter day. Now they call. They ask me say whether my baby papa they treat the children bad. No, I say I don't understand why. I say because they not be born my first daughter, but the other of his son, even my daughter, they see they don't want to see their papa. But that mean no the reason why they talk and the father they me. I say I don't know. The only thing is say sometimes I dey leave them for house when I dey go language school. But if you dey nice with the children, just that me and not be compatible. They say because the my son they ask am say do you want to see your father? They know the yes they want to see papa except mama want to speak with mama. Now I can say maybe not because say na me they take up the where we pass. Then they can say no. I'm not they think now like let's say the man go they do their bad, me no go no. So they say because they fear that they fear their father. If they will show their father picture for them, they'll they shout, they'll they scream. Now they call they say, but they no agree me. The man collect the children because the man call they say he gets a lot of evidence against me when we want use for courts. You know that when I give me money, I can't go buy a SIM card. I can't change my SIM card. The thing is, I don't feel like I never change my WhatsApp, but I don't create another WhatsApp with that SIM card when I new buy because this boy they drag they say he want me no go court because they say judge never judge am. But even though judge just say they not give me any of the children, they not go still give their father either because he's not a responsible guy. So that compass. So now they come they tell me say, what have you not changed my SIM card? I say yes, I don't change my SIM card. Now they come say, how you couldn't they contact me? I come say because I block the same people. Because me get evidence, you understand? Since that 2017. Even when you tell me say make I send you some pictures, I can't say I not get am, but my friends will still know me because me sometimes I still see some of the pictures because that person will ask that for you understand. So now they come and say that for me. I mean, you get a lot of evidence, a lot of voice notes. When you get and come tell me say that when they collect my children, when this back on go tell they say if if they call me, may I not block, may I they record them.
No
You
fire, no
understand,
fire,
sir?
no fire. I don't need all those ones again. Anything we do for you, we don't do one for you already. People where they call you of recent, what did they tell you? Mention their names.
Okay,
Finish.
that
Tell me
Tuesday.
what
If
they
I
call you.
okay, that
Eh,
Tuesday. If I so for that since that want to give me money, he never call me, pa. He never even call me.
okay.
So if I the want to call me, as he call me, I go conference this boy puts. Come to one conference, the back comes to say why. He said, "What they go conference? They went conference anyone. No, even not that. Cause I'm calling here now. Okay, as he call conference the boy. Now, it's because the boy cannot say, first of all, the boy cannot say, No call it on the bloodshed. It already. He don't say no, they me no agree. Nah, if I no deny the inside. Say but take up as no be try no dey. So now if the month you come and say if na so go call you, move book another hotel again. Since the boy said that ready to return the bloodshed, move go return the bloodshed. So if the month you come, you come conference am. So come conference am. Now the boy if the month you come the ask am say, I think you tell me say you don ready to return the bloodshed. So your baby mama dey on call. Now if the month you come ask me, I think you still ready. Now I say if I don ready take oh. The next thing the boy said, beg him, one move now. He call your Scott call for. He call your end the call. Now, if I the month call say, hey, when the great here, call the cousin. Now, I come cut him. So, yesterday, give me notice in my food up TV. I been said the first day, about 20 people on the group. They calling me. Now, I come at her. After they call, I beg, loud, I beg. I said, okay,
How
they
many
do.
people did that call? How many people did that call of yesterday? Oh?
That yesterday, the past, they go 20 now, almost 30 people. The many, where? In
How
fact, the
many? Like,
monthly,
if you mention a few people who did the call.
okay, in fact, the monthly, in wife, the wisdom, I can't see as my sister, plus one woman went to the teacher when they say they call tested, but that one not talk, she can't cut her call, she can't even the best way I put on that kind of call. So, now you public, but people don't many. The boy family,
When they talk, when they call they
sisters,
talk for the call. We take call they talk for the call.
plus the boyfriend. They call it say, Mona call blast so the swag don't pay oh. They not the year the swag once again. That's what they say. If you go call, make pay now. They say because you don't go drink soap when they see the wash toilet. So now they vomit foam in one die. And me concern if the blood if you die na that if blood dey my head oh make me ready oh they go drag me for social media oh TikTok they go hold me oh they go
Who
post my
got
picture
us
for
that was
Facebook.
saying they go? Who got us so they go drag you for social media?
Na the boy whether na him family I no know but see na him sisters one dey UK one dey Italy the other one dey London abi America I no know. So they
What
come
that
dey say
social media be the one with me there so.
the one wey you dey so pa now they come dey beg me oh they dey
They drag
persuade
me
me.
where guy.
Yes, they
Okay.
couldn't persuade me. I beg now, I beg now. I say, I don't understand you now. When I say make I go back, when I say go back, oh, finish not day. Love not day. If you are this person, but one see fast because I'm not there finish for this boy again. When they beg me, what if now so? Since now they beg me, I love the boy so much. When I give her, I don't make the when I give her make him marry now. Now they come begin
I
the
did
cost me. Oh.
I did the conference call.
If I you not there, oh, you know you want to talk and say, since we take give money, you never even call me. Since then.
Wait, don't talk again. Either way, social media president will talk about you and your wife. If I beg. Not dey let that useless boy they make you they do that nonsense, Ipa. Epa, may I tell you the level where you get, in case maybe you don't know. Epa, you are the elder brother of the deputy governor of Edo State. Epa, if I tell you this thing that they say, that boy not even get the right to even they call you your pick. Fear letter they call me. Me, Epa, me will be your, when they call your son. Oh, hey, boy, not me. Since that day, fear never let them put me on call. They mad.
Hello,
Yes, boy.
Renora, Modiako. I have both.
Okay, now when the bike can pick it, calling
you. When you're I think when.
Yeah.
But we go on there on now we're here travel.
Yes, you
So,
told me.
what situation? A lady me anti a group call our my drive, my road, my express.
Mama say pidgin English because of
Hello, my people. Now, good evening. Yesterday, we not there at home. We just go outside. A power travel. So that group call your call. Now my phone they call. As the group call come, let me just say, I got TV now. Here what boom like. So my husband said, pick the call. I just pick. I don't even know who they like. Only one person. When I know say they that like I be DJ Wisdom. Me call yours a shout for the say why not just cause person now just put person for group call. Now not even fair alert me inform me say I want enter group call. But like 10 people I be 15 people they group call. Because I don't like all this kind of thing. I don't use group call me. Now they come they beg me say a power wife I beg wait a power. I come say with the drive wetin dey happen? Why not they call? He say one boy Usakene that boy wanna go settle that day. Oh, now DJ Wisdom come dey explain to me now. Mama, I beg, listen, because me was a curse. And they shout for the night. DJ Wisdom come they beg me say, Mama, I beg, listen, I beg, listen. I come say, okay, talk, wetin dey happen? He said, what that guy will go hotel that they say we want go settle. Usakene say the guy you drink soap when I take a bath. This soap now, liquid soap. He don't drink and finish. The boy not they talk again. That's okay. I don't want to concern me and my husband. The people now they listen though. Now say I don't want to concern you, back concern me. And when you come back, you come like DJ Wisdom, I don't like this thing. If not because nobody they fit call my line. Since when Daki enter my house called thief. I don't want to talk for any Daki matter. Even believe it, I don't need them. For my head, don't try him again. Where the boy now? He said the boy dey line. That's how I can't pick line journal now. He said no the fit talk. Now say well say came all of the day line. Now say babe now listen to me oh. All of the can't really listen. Say mama want to talk. First lady want to let her talk. Now say babe just tell you now. Where the boy said dey line. Now say came if you are hearing me. One thing I will tell you. Do you have a what was it called? Bleach there. He not talk. Say a bleach you reckon we here. To a bleach you put the bed to hang on by. Now all of the cause Mama na so you pronounce na so I Irish. So you know because of woman you might take your life. So what thing I go try advise you. If bleach there where you sit down there. Try go pour bleach for cup, make bleach your intestine. Because that soap when you drink in orange, all of the kind of mama, we don't know you like this or you know you just can't change. Now say no. Now my husband go say they go record you. Now say give your record in there. What one minute record why I play the social media. Now me by myself they talk so. It was daylight. This girl daylight yesterday. Now if I can't even use on that line. Take all this girl. When this girl come, they say the computer join line. This girl don't join that line. If I use another for call, I say, see what your man want to do. As this boy, you hear this girl voice. When they talk to Epa, that boy when they say drink soap, he all begin to talk to us. I mean, Epa, me matamu wewe aduro boy naji. Epa na wa yago yari aduro. Say keme, we ya say you question wehu. We me na ya uwe. Anytime say we know the.
Okay, thank you, my power wife. I appreciate the fact, say the best response ever, Mama. Now you give them. But now you want to
do like that, oh. As every quarrel with me say, Mama, what you just tell her what you want your say by itself finish. Another person for that line. I believe say that lady there your line one day where everybody gather here. That lady come tell her say, what you Mama talk? I bet me go carry sniper. Make it drink, you know, okay, oh, where those sorry, you know, where so why you were go. So everybody just called and laugh. Now, so I take call they come up for line because we are so busy as we are talking right now. Social media president is in Nigeria.
I know.
So I don't hear where this lady they talk just now. Now okay.
Mama, I beg you. Thank you so much, my power wife. I beg. Next time, Mama, if they conference you with them, cause them. Go down.
Me not even know say that guy they line. I say yo that DJ Wisdom. Now let DJ Wisdom now know there. Now let DJ Wisdom me cut the shot say why you go put me for conference call where you not fair inform me. Do you think anybody will just bust on my phone? Just they call me in here. Every photo they don't ever put me on conference call. Because they come tell me say Mama yo Mudiala go very important don't make it go. Life and between life and death, who is the person that is dying? Who is the person that is buying? They say now, say Kevin, I say Kevin, who won who so who? Say Kevin, who that go? Ya mo blish, ya mo blish. Get blish, you were not so who go? Who were to go? A train station say a train lipa where ya say you better where go? What so? Me, I don't feel I got in the manner. I even use that one to crack that joke today. Yes. I say, me when I go carry gold, I don't carry slapper. I don't carry soap maker, drink maker, kill myself. Because of whom you say you want to kill yourself. Go job for train station, maybe die. That's why I talk. Oh.
Where's the mama? Thank you so much. I appreciate mama. Where's the
Takabo? For the conference call. Only this girl I buy your turtle. As a power turtle, this is wife yesterday. As this guy you make one come and say he. That's why if I drink they could not forget. That's why if I now they put on for job. That's why this boy they talk say no my baby won't go. Wow, go asu. Where go na who wow they there wow. I can see out them for the same lesson where this boy follow come. They say na land. I say, papi water mamu weze. No one gagawe. Papi water ti when on your listen. Wow, so as I got there, some of the coyotes they laugh. Say, mama just made they laugh. I said, this body put on for Lano. No, Asara again. That's why I take call the phone yesterday.
Thank you so much. Where's the mama? Thank you for coming to speak for your brother.
Ask DJ Wisdom now. DJ Wisdom man go talk. He go tell you now.
Where's the mama? Thank you so much.
My phone they call.
Where's the?
I don't see one day yesterday say, may they not call me again. So they don't stop on that yesterday.
Where's the mama? Thank you so much. Where's the?
Thank you everyone. Thank you everybody. Wanna carry go? Oh yeah.
If I wait. How we continue the group call? No, if I will continue that group call yesterday because mama they talk yesterday. Mama really short time. Mama call the short time. You understand? Because you know what I see. They call the add for the group call. I not pick. You understand? They add me I not pick. I did not because he call me direct. He call me more than 5 times. I can't pick because he say I know me one way in my way. That's it. Now today, if I do can I take collect my children. Now that they deceive me. When I take collect my children.
When we round up this matter, we talk again on that topic now. See, so fire. If DJ Wisdom man call you again, block him. DJ Wisdom man, if by any means this girl go back to that idiot and anything happen to this girl, me, Inoge, I'll go donation you for Deutschland saying that you buy this girl. I swear with my father's grave. If anything happen to this girl, everybody should hold DJ Wisdom man responsible. Because that Mugu, that yeah boy, when I know he left from Iraq, you see what he do that day for hotel. If not be say me, you a party there, he forbid this guy again. If you want drink stepper, make it drink stepper. If you want to die, must you call people that you want to die? I suppose to the year say they say that boy don't die this morning. I go personally post RIP for your picture. There you go. Because number one, you are not ready to change. Number two, not in 10 years, you are not ready to change. DJ Wisdom man, you and your wife they quarrel, but not be this kind one. Stop calling this girl. Stop confessing this girl with that Mugu. If you want to go there, may go there. Call you will be the whether a former mother be your name. I don't know. DJ Kebab. In case if you want to buy, let me give you the easiest way to buy. Not call DJ Wisdom and say you want to buy. As net you're rich like this, so they listen. Carry cup. Go and carry cup right now. Carry cup. If you not get a snapper for us, no problem. I get on that pattern. Where you go take buy now. You must get knife for us. Hold that knife now in Jesus' name. Oh, man, not call Jesus. Jesus, forgive me. Man, not call you for this nonsense. Hold that knife now. Oh, yeah, hold on, way. Hold on, tight. Oh, yeah, carry the knife, go up. Shook out for your belly now. Shook out. Like, till you not get straight again to shook. By yourself. This girl, the government of Deutschland say, if they see you with this girl, they'll collect the remaining 2 way they don't give up. DJ Kebab, or go. Have you want myself to sack your family? Stay away from this girl. You know me now, fear don't let you. Even the DJ Wisdom man, why not confess me for all the fear? When I confess me, that nonsense. What are they do? The hotel where we carry that day, you don't see money to pay hotel. For the hotel where I still use my money pay, when I call they disturb me. This one, if they talk now, they disturb me. Broke friends. Friends where broke will not get 1 naira. 1 naira will not get. Now they talk say you want to go back to this girl. That day as you see this girl, they say 50 euro, you not fit give her. You love your children. You carry them 1 minute to give them back. 50 euro, you not fit give this girl. Now the money where me and my fans donate, now we give this girl that day. Hotel, you not see money to pay. You not see money to taxi. See the kind friends. See Natu. Just look at the two of you. DJ Wisdom man, if anything happen to this guy, now you are home. If anything happen to Sophia, now you are home. Because I never see for the first person, see person where they first have put. And DJ Kebab, onimo. Ogwagwa. Now, by force of the relationship, even if you say Natu want come back, not be now. Stay away from her. You say you don't want to swear out. May you go there now. Don't go even there easy for the girl to move on. Go out by yourself. Why are you disturbing the peace of the world? Say you want by yourself. I don't already tell a paragraph just now. If a paragraph, if DJ Wisdom at conference you cannot pick. I see no reason why DJ Wisdom will even conference you. That is a disrespect. How many married men they confess the wife? They join call. Mama, that's a disrespect to you. The level when your husband dead now self, he gets okay things when I'm not going to really suppose they talk. That's the truth. Do you know what is the meaning of the deputy governor of Edo State? Your husband, younger brother, number 2 for Edo State, number 2. After governor, now your husband, brother, be the next. There's people go any people go they confess you, they join call. What they not fit do me? That's why I talk and rich. Stop forcing this girl to go back. Now by force, take the relationship by force. Now by force, and they ask my people, is it by force? After all those things, what that boy do that day, DJ Wisdom man, you get the men, they confess a power wife, a power. Say you want to go drink sniper, make sniper, the sniper bear. The sniper not bear boy, you want more. No we are DJ Kebabi. Why you know the since that day fear that you come, you know if you come, I don't like you. I don't know why I don't like you. My spirit does not like you. I hate you with passion. You are a devil. I don't like you. But then at this one you want to grow your page, DJ Wisdom. I don't know. You cannot understand this one way they do every evening. They call this girl. This girl say don't let her and the rest. You know what I mean? Why so no? What call him remember? Madam, I will hook up. I know they do hook up. So fire. From today, if they call you, they record them. From today, if they call you, they record them. If they call you, they record them. Bye-bye. One time on that topic. Where's it?
Thank you. Oh my God.
All right. I don't see the nonsense when this boy display that day for hotel. You not pay for the hotel, but now you know the sharp ass. I be paid that day. Did you pay me for the hotel? Now you toss it already to return out. Go and return it in your ass. I will never set my eyes on you again. Even if you say now you by yourself book the hotel, the guy is not coming. It's finished. You don't lose the opportunity already. I want to go to move myself, the book hotel for you again. Nonsense. Rubbish. Let's go to the main reason, my people, why we are here. Favor, please come up, my people. All my fans, we gotta go. When I send, make them help me